Welcome WPP/restaurant Joelia in Rotterdam.
So we are situated in the Hilton Rotterdam. Inside I'll show you in a moment. And also we've got a little terrace to get an aperitif or a small dish. Please come inside.
Welcome inside the restaurant.
Join us in a small tour through our restaurant and through our wine cellar and kitchen. This is Mario.
Hello, welcome to restaurant Joelia. Dion is the host of the restaurant. She's going to show you the restaurant in Rotterdam, and Johan is the head sommelier, and he's going to show you the wine cellar of the restaurant. So enjoy!
Here we are in the dining room of our restaurant. Behind me you can find our kitchen and our beautiful chef's table. Our Michelin star awarded kitchen is minimalistic, modern and elegant. With the most beautiful ingredients, we offer our guests a unique experience in the bustling heart of Rotterdam city center.
Super vis. Frisse super zit hier.
Ja.
Leuk. Gietengreuzen.
Ja.
Weet je wat dat betekent? Heel vis waarschijnlijk. Ja. Geen idee. Leuk.
This is our wine cellar, one of the most beautiful cellars in Holland. We are awarded with the Best of Award of Excellence by Wine Spectator. Only 9 restaurants do have this award. We're trying to get the most important award, which is the Grand Award. Nobody has it in Holland, and it will take some more time. And we have the best producers in our cellar, most of it from France and Italy, Germany, America, Napa Valley. And we're trying to get the quality, although it's very difficult to buy these bottles because there's only a few and everybody wants them who can afford it, so we are busy with it.
As you can see, the restaurant has an international design. You could pick it up and place it in New York or Dubai or anywhere else in the world.
But it is in Rotterdam, and I hope to see you soon in my restaurant. Bye bye!